Math by the Book is built on the idea that context matters in mathematics, that mathematics isn't just about a bunch of numbers and symbols and equations and getting answers, that those things should mean something to students. And so often we build that context with things like word problems or real-world data, but one way we've found gives students a context and also generates so much energy and excitement in the classroom is a piece of children's literature. So we use children's literature as a context to explore mathematics. In Math by the Book, we identify 20 math skills or concepts that are taught across a grade, and then identified 20 pieces of children's literature that would work perfectly to set the context for those skills, and then developed explorations, investigations, problems, practice tasks, all of which kind of focus around that book that was read. So it becomes a way to really dive deeply into the mathematics, beginning with the context of the story, and then moving into just some very good math teaching. Math by the Book really exemplifies the big ideas of how we teach. Instead of telling students how to do the mathematics, we get them involved in explorations or investigations. Instead of having students work silently, they're working with partners. They're doing writing tasks. They're answering questions. Instead of worksheet kind of practice, they're doing engaging games and interactive practice so that we're showing good, solid mathematics instruction that is focused on the standards that are important at that grade level, and all launched through this beautiful context of a story.